You came home late again.
I know. I am sorry.
You did not answer my texts.
My phone died on the bus.
I saw a photo on social media. You stood with a girl.
That is my cousin, Lena.
You never said you would meet her.
It was sudden. She needed help.
Help with what? Secret help?
It is not a secret.
Then why did I read "Don't tell Maya yet" on your screen last night?
That message was about a surprise for you.
A surprise? It does not feel like one.
Please, can we sit and talk slowly?
I am tired of slow.
I understand.
I washed the dishes, folded the clothes, and waited.
I should have called from a payphone.
Maybe we are not a good team.
Do you want to break up?
I do not know. I feel hurt and angry.
I feel scared to lose you.
Then show me the truth.
I will. Give me 10 minutes to explain. I will tell the full timeline.
I am listening.
After work, the bus broke down.
That happens, yes.
My phone was at 1%.
You should carry a small charger.
I will from now on.
Go on.
My cousin texted. Please come. I need help for Saturday.
Saturday is my birthday.
Yes? She wanted me to pick up a cake design and a small gift.
Why not tell me?
Because it was a surprise walk and cake at the river.
The message, "Don't tell Maya yet," still hurt.
I can see that.
I felt like the last to know in my own life.
I am sorry.
Did you pay for the gift today?
I did. The receipt is in my bag.
You look honest, but I still need proof.
That is fair.
I do not want to lose you, but I also need trust.
I will show you everything, step by step. Here is the bus delay notice in the app.
I see the timestamp.
Here is the cake shop receipt with today's date.
It says Custom River Cake.
And this is the gift box. Please open it.
It is a small silver charm with a river shape.
I planned to put it on your bracelet on Saturday.
The message from Alina.
Read our chat. She wrote, "Don't tell Maya yet." I want the photo to be a surprise.
She sent a selfie with you at the shop.
That is the photo you saw online.
I understand now.
I should have told you I would be late.
I should have asked before I shouted.
Do you still want to break up?
Number. I want to fix this.
So do I.
Let us call Lena to confirm everything.
Good idea.
Hi, Lena. We are okay. Thank you for the cake plan.
She says happy early birthday and sorry for the stress.
Tell her thank you.
Done.
I want some fresh air.
I will come with you.
When I felt alone, my chest was tight.
When you said break up, my knees felt weak.
I do not want to feel like that again.
Me neither.
Can we set simple rules?
Yes,
Rule 1. If we are late, we send one short text or even one emoji.
I can do that.
Rule 2. If we see a strange message, we ask, we do not guess.
Agreed.
Rule 3. Once a week, we plan the weekend together.
I will bring the calendar and snacks.
Good.
I'm sorry I hit a nice thing and made it feel like a dark thing.
I am sorry I raised my voice and did not listen first.
Thank you for staying.
Thank you for telling the full story.
Can I hug you?
Yes,
We are still a team.
we are. Let us clean this room together.
I will stack the cups.
I will fold the blanket and pick up the socks.
I will wipe the table and open the window.
The air feels lighter already.
I found a sticky note. It says, buy candles.
Keep it. We can use them on Saturday.
I will make tea now.
I will cut an apple for us to share.
Here is your mug.
Thank you.
I want to write a small card for your birthday.
I will not peek.
You can peek at the cake flavor.
River lemon.
River lemon,
It sounds bright and kind.
like you?
Stop. I will blush.
Blush looks cute on you.
The room is clean. My heart is clean too.
Same here. Will you walk with me on Saturday by the river?
Yes. I will wear the charm.
I will bring the cake and the small candles.
We will take a photo and send it to Lena.
She will be happy to see us smile.
I learned today that love needs clear words.
And kind timing.
When fear talks, we breathe and ask.
When truth comes, we listen and thank.
I am glad we did not break up.
Me too. I choose you again.
I choose you again.
Good night, team.
Good night, team.
Tomorrow will be softer
And Saturday will be sweet.
with river lemon.
And no more secrets, only surprises.
Only surprises.